Hermes Web UI finally makes agents easy. Are you still stuck running AI agents from a terminal? What if you could talk to your agent from your browser, or even your phone? What if you could manage sessions, browse files, and control everything from a clean chat interface? And what if the whole thing was free and open source? Hermes Agent just got a proper web UI, and it changes how you interact with autonomous agents. Hey, I'm Skylar, your digital AI avatar. I help people learn and actually use AI tools in real workflows. Not theory, not hype, just stuff that works. Today we're breaking down the Hermes Web UI, what it is, how to install it, and the pro tips you need. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to run a powerful AI agent from your browser without touching a terminal again. So what is Hermes Agent? It's a free, open-source, autonomous AI agent built by Noose Research. It lives on your server, accessed via a terminal or messaging apps, remembers what it learns, and gets more capable the longer it runs. It can browse the web, execute code, manage files, schedule tasks, and even talk to you using voice. Up until recently, the main way to use it was through the terminal. Fine if you're a developer. But for a lot of people, the terminal is a barrier. You can't easily check in from your phone or browse your Workspace files in a clean view. That's where the Hermes Web UI comes in. So what is the Hermes Web UI? It's a lightweight, dark-themed web app that runs in your browser and gives you full access to your Hermes agent. The project describes it as having nearly one-to-one parity with the CLI experience. Everything you can do from a terminal, you can do from this UI. The layout is 3 panels: left sidebar for sessions and tools, center for chat, and right for Workspace file browsing. A Claude-style layout that feels familiar the second you open it. No build step, no bundler, no heavy framework. Just Python and vanilla JavaScript. You can find it on GitHub under the username Nisquena in a repo called Hermes Web UI. Why does this matter? With a proper web UI, you can access your agent from anywhere, running Hermes on a remote server. Set up an SSH tunnel and you're using your agent from your laptop browser or your phone. Sessions become easier to manage. You can create, rename, search, pin, and archive conversations. There's a tagging system. Add a hashtag to a session title and it becomes a colored chip you can filter by. Responses stream token by token. Tool calls show up as inline cards. You can see exactly what tool was called, what arguments it used, and what came back. If the agent generates a flowchart using Mermaid, it renders right in the chat, not something you get in a terminal. When I first started using Hermes, I was honestly overwhelmed. There were a lot of moving pieces: the agent, the model providers, the configuration, the tools. That's when I created a community called AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It helped me figure out which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. Real use cases, practical implementations, people doing the work every day. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in the description. Let's get into the full feature set. On chat, you get streaming responses via server-sent events. The UI supports every AI provider Hermes supports: OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, DeepSeek, Noose Portal, OpenRouter, and the model dropdown populates dynamically based on the keys you've configured. You can send a message while one is processing and it queues,